this episode. We traveled to a secret brown trout fishing spot in the wilderness of Montana. For the first time ever, we hear a grizzly bear growl while fishing near a known grizzly resting area. You will see us catch the most beautiful brown trout in Montana. You will hear the premiere of a new original song titled "Waters Make Me Happy." And of course, you will see amazing Montana scenery shot in 8K video. So stay tuned. You do not want to miss episode 4. It starts now. Waters make me happy. Why worry, why fret, why deal with all that stress? Leave the city, get to the country, find some water, and you'll find rest. Waters make me happy, and I ain't talking about no beach. I am talking about the western kind that I keep if I reach. So I watch all these people searching for some things, but I have already found it. I found those waters that make me sing. Now those poor city folks, they obviously don't understand. It's waters, waters that can cleanse the soul of a man. You can spend your time making money mining in the corporate world, or you could spend your time making happy standing in line. Well, they say water's water, it's just H2O. But I have found out just a while ago that those western waters have a different feel.
Who just jumped in the car here? Mr. Grasshopper. Mr. Grasshopper just flew in. So you can see why not a lot of people fish in here. First of all, it's in grizzly bear country, and nothing but these bushes with really bad thorns. I mean bad. Flying line gets in it, you get in it, and it's really deep in the middle and very muddy. If you get in there, you probably don't get out. So you got to stay on the edge where you've got some rock. So yeah, I've never seen anybody fishing out here in this spot. That's good for me. Now we got to climb out of here, see? Look at this. Really strong legs because there's nothing to hold on to, really. You got to use all your leg muscles. Ugh. Just pull yourself out of there. Not bad for a guy my age. Yeah, this is grizzly country in here for sure. And you can just look at it, look how thick. I love areas like this. Cattails, water. And I guess we'll turn the bell back on. let's see. This just looks like a place where there would be a fish. You got the shade over here on the bank, a little deep run. Gotta be one in here. Gotta be. We got us a good one here. Woo! Definitely got us a good one here. Let's see if we can get down in here. Oh yeah, he stuck it good. Good one. Good fish. For sure. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Look at that guy. Come on in here, buddy. Get out of the current. Come on in here. Oh, look at that. He tried to get away. Yeah, baby. Oh, he's big and healthy. Big. He drove that streamer in there pretty good. There we go. There. All right. There we go. Wow, that's a nice fish. Man. Little spot to stand here. A little casting place. We got shade down there. I expect one's laying back under the bank. We're out in the middle of the deep water. See what we can do here. There he is. I knew it. I knew it. Oh yeah. Good fish. Brown trout. Come on in here, buddy. Reel. Not that big. He's in there. Just like we said. Come here, bud. Yeah. He's a little one, but he's a brown trout. Right through the nose. Right where we want it.
It's where I always want to be. I cast my flies on these waters. Don't care how far I gotta go.
Line out here.
Standing in western waters. I like how it makes me feel. It's just so real. Nobody is here living near my water.
More challenging, more reward. That was fun.
It's just happier here. Fishing in these special waters. Man, that's the deal.
I heard a distinct growl a bit ago while fishing down in here. See if we can see anything. It's so thick. Grizzly was laying down in there. It'd blend right in. Boy, this is getting thick in here. Wow. I heard a growl. First one I've ever heard, actually. Could have just been moving through. At least I've got the high ground right now. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Got too much line out. Whew. Too much line out. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Good brown. Oh yeah. I'm just down there. And him. Stick. Get in here. Push down. Wow. That's a great fish. Nice one. Every bit of 18 inches. Every bit of 18 inches. All right. So he measures out at 19 inches. Great fish. Healthy and strong. Wow. Look at that view behind me. Amazing.
Waters make me happy. Why worry, why fret, why deal with all that stress? Leave the city, get to the country, find some water, and you'll find rest. Waters make me happy, and I ain't talking about no beach. I am talking about the West western kind that I keep real far reach. I watch all these people searching for some things, but I have already found it. I found those waters that make me sing. Now those poor city folks, they obviously don't understand. It's waters, waters that can cleanse the soul of a man. You can spend your time making money mining in the corporate world, or you could spend your time making happy standing in line. Well, they say water's water, it's just H2O. But I have found out just a while ago that those western waters have a different feel. Was western waters where I go, so I spend my time in those waters. It's where I always want to be. I cast my flies on these waters, don't care how